Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can delete your Safari history with restrictions. What you need to do is just go to the settings, and after going to the settings, what you need to do is just go to the screen time here, and in screen time you need to scroll down and you can see there is a restriction option here with content and privacy restriction. Just tap on it, and in this option go to the app store, media and web apps, and make sure that the web content is in an unrestricted format. Okay, if you do the only approved website, it will allow you to only watch the website which you have approved to like watching. Okay, after doing this, what you need to do is go back and in the settings menu slide down, and there's an app option here in the main setting home, in the main setting option, app option here. Just go over there, and in app options slide down, and you need to find the Safari here. After going to the Safari, what you need to do, just slide it down, scroll it down, and you can just clear the history and website data. Okay, you can delete the website or history data accordingly. And if you want to completely turn the restriction mode off, you need to go back, go to screen time, slide it down, and open up the content and privacy setting and turn this option off here. Okay, after turning it off, you can go back here and go to the Safari app here. In the Safari option app here, you need to do, you can go and clear the history and website data, just like this, or if you want to specifically delete the website data, you can go to the advanced option here and go to the website data here, and you can select the app and delete the data accordingly. Okay, so that's how you can actually delete the Safari history with restrictions. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you have liked it and it sorted out your problem. Thank you.